Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology in Mbbs. Start by building strong basic science foundations and schedule daily active study sessions. Break topics into manageable blocks and use concept maps to link pathogens to clinical syndromes. Prioritize high-yield pathogens and lab methods while integrating clinical cases for context. Review regularly with spaced repetition and practice MCQs under exam conditions to boost retention and confidence. Use active recall and spaced repetition as the backbone of your study routine and convert notes into concise question prompts. Supplement text reading with diagrams, flowcharts, and microscope image review to build visual memory. Schedule short, focused study sprints with 10-minute breaks to maintain concentration. Regularly test yourself with clinical vignette MCQs and simulate exam timing to improve speed and accuracy while monitoring weak topics for targeted review. Select dependable resources and limit yourself to a core textbook and a streamlined review book to avoid fragmentation. Practice extensively with question banks and case-based learning to apply concepts clinically. Attend laboratory sessions and review practical techniques to connect theory with diagnostics. Use flashcards for memorizing organisms, toxins, and drug mechanisms, and revisit weak areas more frequently to convert short-term knowledge into long-term mastery for exams and clinical practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.